There's something in this sound that takes me far. It's like a special song that move my mood along. But I can't say you hear through my guitar. She told me on the bass line everything will be alright. She told me that the groove is mine and it will rock us through the night. But where I'll go, can't explain, you never know. But it's beautiful. Hey guys, I'm Vasco and today I'll show you how I'm playing It Runs Through Me by Tom Misch. Did I pronounce it right? I don't know. Anyway, very cool sounding song with really nice chords. Probably most of them are brand new for you, but we'll go through them step by step. But the only way I managed to fit it on the ukulele and kind of have all the important sounds in is with a low G string ukulele and 1/2 step higher than the original. So if you want to play along with the original, you have to tune down your ukulele 1/2 step. But for this tutorial, we're not doing this. We have normal low G string tuning. So grab your low G and let's go. Alright, the good news is that throughout the whole song we're just repeating 6 chords. The bad news is that they're not very easy chords, and also the rhythmic part is a little bit weird. So let's go through the chords first. After that we'll try to combine all the elements together. Okay, so let's see the first chord. On the 5th fret with the pointing finger like this, and we're also leaning it so we're muting the C string. Okay? And then with the ring finger on the 6th fret of the E string and the middle on the 5th fret of the A string. Okay? That's the first chord. Then for the next one, we go on D sharp right here. Okay, but I'm also adding the pinky. So from top to bottom is 8, 7, 8, and I'm avoiding the A string. And then for the next one, we just remove the pinky, and with the pointing finger, we are grabbing here on the 6th fret, the E string. Again, avoiding the A string. All right, after that, we go to G sharp, major 7, which I'm grabbing like this. I'm avoiding the A string again. All right. And then we go up here on the 7th fret, grabbing the same shape as the first chord. All right. And the last one, we just open the G string, we move the middle and the ring finger 1 fret down, and the pointing finger goes on the 5th fret. Like this. So and the strumming I'm doing is revolving around this little rhythmic element that we have in the song. But also I'm not doing it every time the same. Sometimes I'm doing just the bass note and then with up strums. On these last 2 chords, sometimes I'm doing this and get it back. basically you just have to memorize these chords and learn to go between them quick. It will take a little bit of time, but after you get it once, it just goes on automatic, so I'm pretty sure that you can do it. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.